Imagine building a city taller than most skyscrapers, not in one place, but stretching endlessly across the desert. A city with no cars, no roads, and walls of mirrored glass rising 500 meters into the sky. Some call it the future of urban living. Others call it impossible. This is the line, the most ambitious construction project ever attempted. But in 2026, the big question is no longer what was promised. It's what is actually being built. First announced in 2021, the line is the centerpiece of NEOM, Saudi Arabia's flagship smart city program under Vision 2030. The original plan was radical, a 170-kilometer long city, just 200 meters wide, housing up to 9 million people, all stacked vertically. Every home, school, office, hospital and park within a 5-minute walk. Transport handled by ultra-high-speed transit running beneath the city. And the promise? Zero carbon emissions. From the start, skepticism followed. Architects questioned livability. Engineers questioned feasibility. Economists questioned cost. And by 2024, reports emerged that the full 170-kilometer vision was being scaled down. Cost estimates for NEOM's complete end state reportedly ballooned to nearly $9 trillion, more than 8 times Saudi Arabia's annual GDP. The dream wasn't dead, but it was being forced to grow up. Despite the doubts, construction never fully stopped. Satellite and drone imagery confirm massive excavation works carving a trench through the desert. Entire logistics corridors, worker camps, and service roads now line the route. And crucially, the focus has shifted to Phase 1. Not 170 kilometers, but just over 2 kilometers. Still, even this mini line is unlike anything ever attempted. Phase 1 consists of 3 massive modules, each roughly 800 meters long and 500 meters tall. At its heart lies the hidden marina, a fully man-made waterway carved directly through the structure. This marina is not coastal. It's engineered inland, with channels eventually connecting to the Red Sea. Above it, rising 350 meters in the air, will sit the NEOM Stadium, scheduled to host matches during the 2034 FIFA World Cup. To support all this, engineers are installing more than 16,000 foundation piles. For comparison, the Burj Khalifa required fewer than 200. So where does the project stand today? As of 2026, the line is not cancelled, but it is redefined. Saudi authorities are prioritizing proof of concept over scale. The goal now is to complete Phase 1, populate it, and test whether this radical urban model actually works. Parallel NEOM projects, like Oxygen, the floating industrial port, are progressing faster, providing economic support to the wider region. The line's future will depend on one thing above all else. Can people actually live here? Engineering challenges can be solved with money and time, but convincing hundreds of thousands of people to move into a vertical, enclosed megastructure, that's the real test. If Phase 1 succeeds, the line could expand module by module over decades. If it fails, it may become the world's most expensive urban experiment. The line is no longer a question of ambition. It's a question of execution. Whether it becomes the blueprint for future cities or a cautionary tale, one thing is certain. The world has never tried anything like this before.